What's up, everybody? Contenders Hobby Early Bird Break 3384. We're full dice roll. We're going just 6 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, we went 4 and 2 is 6. We went 6 right here. The Colts up top, the Vikings at the bottom. Six times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 there and 6 right here. 1 up top. Timmy B at the bottom. Sort them out. Why is your name not where, Timmy? 3384, you're supposed to be in here, Tim. Let me check your orders, brother. $33.84. Let me double check, dude. It's just the wrong number up there. It's this is I got the wrong name up top, guys. This is Chronicles. And this is Contenders over here. That's all it is. So this is going to be Chronicles. My apologies. Yep. This is Chronicles right here. This is Chronicles. The titles were just wrong at the top, guys. So we're ripping Chronicles Hobby. Break 3384. It's Chronicles Hobby. Right here. These names, the Chronicles and Contenders were just flip-flop. You're in break 3384, which is Chronicles. Tim, which is the top there. No problem, guys. That was more my fault than anything. A little confusing there. All right, so we're ripping Chronicles, guys. It's break 3384. Good luck. Again, my apologies. I just had the wrong break title up there. Chronicles Hobby. You're in here to be West. Again, guys, good luck, good luck. Do a pack at a time. Isaiah Pacheco, Joey B, Kenny Pickett, Sauce Gardner, Aiden, Malcolm Rodriguez, and George Karlaftis with Tyreek Hill on the back. Jamison Williams, Isaiah Pacheco again, Drake London, Malik Willis, Patrick Mahomes on the patch to 199. Oh, Patty. Romeo Dobbs to 199 for the pack. Sam Howell on the Prism Black. And Brian Robinson Jr. Again, guys, this is Chronicles. Contenders will go next. George Pickens, Aiden Hutchinson, Garrett Wilson, Treylon Burks, Drake London. To 99 of Bailey Zappi. Kenny Pickett. And Drake London. Deron Bland, Quay Walker. Derek Stingley Jr., Ahmad Sauce Gardner on the ink to 199 for the Jets. The Jets going to Russell Morgan. There you go, Russ. Prism Black Orange of Olave on the orange silver. That's numbered to 75 for the Saints. And Ryan Chapman. Damian Pierce and Olave. There you go, Russ. A.J. Brown, Baker. Zamir White, Jalen Hurts, Baker Mayfield on the red to 199, and Drake London on the Prism Black. Kayvon Thibodeau right behind him. Last pack, good luck. Again, guys, I'll let you know what break we're going to fill next. Justin Fields, Breece Hall, Damian Pierce, and Matt Corral on the RPA to 99. Score Prism, Drake London, Sam Howell, and Tariq Woolen. We load some of these up, guys. I'll recap again. Chronicles is in the books. Contenders will go next. Got a few breaks close to filling, so we're probably going to run a filler next, guys, so be ready to drop. There's a 100-spot NT on the site, guys, a 100-spotter. It's on the site. There's less than 20 left. That should go tonight. It's 35. You can take 2 for 60. They're on the website. Less than 20 left. I'll give you the break number here shortly. Again, Chronicles in the books. Pick it. Hey, no problem. Do you got it in your hands, John? You got it in hand, brother? That's a bad sucker. That's a bad boy. Again, guys, let me print this. Again, guys, take your spots on the website. Take your pick, your color, break 3377. That can go next. There's only 5 colors left. I'll be right back. Damn. There you go. Steven Scraggs taking a couple colors. He's taking the neon green and bronze. He's also taking the purple. Just 3 colors left, guys. The black, the green, and the tie-dye. Pretty big spots. Getting a 100 spotter, guys, is break number 3367. There's 18 spots left. That's it. 3367's down to 18. Get Chronicles off here. Let's get the 21 select, 22 optic. It's break number 3340. This break is full as well. Make sure my list is right. Order coming in. John's taking 2 spots in 33.67. That gives him 4 total there. Oh, well, you wouldn't, John. Again, guys, I'm just catching up orders. Okay. Get your squads.